Love bugs and love muffins. It's your girl DizastrousBeauty, and I'm back with another voiceover. So the unit I am rocking today was sent to me by Arabella. Hair Shop, you Arabella for coming through with the come through. So I wanted to go ahead and come to you guys and with this voiceover. You guys know I don't typically really do those anymore, but I wanted to come to you guys because you will see a little crinkles or wrinkles or whatever in the forehead area. Just in case you don't make it to the outro, I want to go ahead and tell y'all this unit is extremely big head friendly. Okay. Most of my units from Arabella Hair are more so on the big head friendly side. I am not 100% sure if they have the option to get like a smaller cap size. I'm sure they do, but that is why I had the crinkles and wrinkles, girl. But that being said, that lace was still melting, girl, okay? I also want to go ahead and tell you guys are going to see me layer one side, but I also layered the other side. I just did not film that. I thought I did, but girl, I didn't. And another thing, this is the last thing. Once you get to my outro, honey, my microphone, my normal microphone broke, so I had to use my older microphone. And yeah, it just doesn't sound like my other one. So I do have another one on the way, but if things sound differently, that is why. Anyways, y'all, I want y'all to go ahead and get into this video and get into all the things. And yeah, I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye.
I need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks. Ooh. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa, whoa. It's like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy? Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want 'em to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. That's really, really cool for you. Yeah, everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable. It's also unachievable. Yeah, almost inconceivable. I'll never do it like you do. And I know I'll grow in a whole supposed to be, but self-doubt comes easy, and I've tried almost everything, but it just hasn't worked yet. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want 'em to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. Ooh, I hate comparison, cause it makes me feel lesser than striving for perfection, thinking somebody will see me then. No, don't get me wrong, really want everybody to succeed, but can we start with me? Like, why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Wish someone could redesign me, to not have the style to find me. Why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Envy is gonna blind me. Why was it her and not me? Better than me. Try not to hate myself, lose confidence. I just wanna be loved like you. I just wanna
this unit, and this is what I got. If you guys are interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Woo! Child, it's been a minute since I've done this, y'all. Like, I feel like I have not been recording at all as of late. And honey, if you notice a little tan on you, girl, me and my hubby just got back from Cancun for our birthdays. But anyway, it's not about all that, it's about this unit. So the wig that I am rocking was sent to me by Arabella Hair Shop. You, Arabella, for coming through with the come through per usual. And thank you for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. So the wig that I am rocking is 180% density, is a 13x4 lace front blowout in Wavy, and it is a number 12/613 highlight wig, and they sent it to me in 26 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and go on their site and give you guys a few more details and specs. So on the site it says the same thing that I just said about the unit, and then it has an option to get this unit in blowout in Wavy, or you can get it straight. You do have the option to get this unit in 13x4 lace or 6x5 pre-cut lace. Okay, so this wig is available in 12 to 30 inches, and they have they also have it available in like a bob length as well. So yeah, those are pretty much all the details and specs that I see about this unit. Okay, so right here it says parting is free part, can be deep, mid, or side parted, pre-plucked. Yes, it is. I told you about the size of the lace. It also is transparent lace. Yes, it is. And yeah, and it can be dyed if you want to dye it. Okay, so now as far as the details and specs that Chrissy has, yes, oh girl, like it blended in effortlessly. Now you will see some crinkles in here. When it comes to Arabella hair, their cap sizes are pretty large, so I always struggle, and my lace always kind of buckles right here. It is pretty common with Arabella and a few other companies that I know they make a larger cap size. Like even in the back, you know, it's a lot like left over. You know what I'm saying? So but this is extremely large head friendly, and I am an average cap size, so girl, do with that what you want to do with it, okay? Do with that what you want to do with it. Now as far as shedding and tangling, it did shed a little bit. I expected it to. It is like a blonde unit. It's 613 with highlights. So yes, I did expect it to shed some. It didn't shed excessively, but it did shed, and I want to throw that out there. Now I did decide to add a couple layers. I want to throw that in there as well on both sides, and because it was a 13x4, I did decide to do a curved part. It comes in a middle part, but you can part it however you see fit. And this little clamp you guys saw here, which I think is a leak, and you guys know how I love fall, so I added that in, and I felt like it went really well with my little ensemble. So am I missing anything? It's definitely pre-tweezed. I love that for me. Like they did one with it, and it did come pre-curled, as you guys could see. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so we're gonna start with my cons, because you guys know I like to end on a high note, and my con with this unit is gonna be that it is a very large cap size. I wish that they came a little smaller for me. And you guys know the fact that it's a 13x4, because honey, your girl is a closure girl or a 13x6 girl, but the 13x4s, you know, they are not a fave for me. So yeah, those are gonna be my cons. Now as far as the pros, you guys know, I love me some blonde hair, girl, okay? Especially some blonde with some highlights. Like, I love how they did this color. It is so nice. I also love that this unit came pre-curl, because honey, mama be mommying, okay? But I have a lot to do on a day-to-day basis, girl, okay? So I love when a unit saves me the time of having to curl it. I hate curling hair, I'm not gonna hold you. So I love that. I love that it was pre-tweezed. I didn't have to bleach old girl, and that the lace just melted right in, even though, you know, like I said, I got the crinkles. But yeah, those are gonna be my pros with this wig. Yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. Like, honey, I love this color. Like, I keep looking at myself. You guys know when I be looking at myself, either there's a big problem or I'm super happy, and I'm super happy, okay? So yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. Alright y'all, I'm gonna give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So let me scoot up some. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, sound off in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if it's a look, it's a vibe, it's all the things to you. Sound off in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out you Arabella Hair for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. You are truly appreciated. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, go click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Hell to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Your love completely got every style.